SoftCloud IT is the world leader in APS development. The Application Packaging Standard, known as APS, is a connector which allows all types of applications to communicate with different cloud delivery systems, like Odin Service Automation. In this video, we'll take a look at Google Apps APS2. Google Apps is a professional email and online storage solution. Google Apps APS2 provides integration with Odin Service Automation. The first step is, of course, to purchase the service. Here, we'll see the purchase process from Odin's online store. Just select Google for Work, choose one of the service plans available, click Buy, and finally confirm the order. Once the payment has been processed, the Google Apps service will be provisioned, and customers will be able to start using the service from Odin's Customer Control Panel. This is the control panel, where customers will be able to create service users, assign the Google Apps service to them, and manage the account. The Google for Work tab is the result of the user interface provided by Google Apps APS2. This user interface integrates into Odin Service Automation's Customer Control Panel to allow customers to manage Google Apps users. Here, you will need to associate a domain name with the Google account. To do this, select the kind of domain that you would like to associate. You could transfer a domain from another Google Apps reseller, use a domain managed by Odin Service Automation, or an external domain. In the case of internal and external domains, you will have to enter a personal username and a domain name that you will use as a Google admin user, as in your username at yourdomain.com. If the domain is managed by Odin Service Automation, the APS will retrieve the Google Apps token and insert it into the DNS records for ownership verification. The Transfer Google Domain option should be chosen if you want to transfer the Google domain from another Google Apps reseller. In this case, you'll need to provide the Google Apps transfer token provided by Google Apps. Here, you can see the account information and the number of seats available. In order to start using the Google Apps service, first, you'll need to accept the terms of service in the Google Apps dashboard. Just click here to go to the Google Apps dashboard and log in with the account you just created. Accept the agreement. Now, you are ready to use Google Apps for Work. But let's go back to the Customer Control Panel to see what else you can do from there. Clicking Change Number of Seats, you will be able to modify the number of seats available for your subscription, whether it be a flexible or an annual subscription. You can either change the number of seats by using the slider control or just editing the number in the field available. From the Google for Work tab, you can also purchase Google Apps Vault seats. Google Apps Vault is an add-on for Google Apps. To purchase the service, click Purchase Vault. Then, you will see the number of Vault seats ready to be assigned to your service users. By clicking Submit, you will activate the Vault seats in Google. You will be able to assign Vault seats to each service user at a later stage. Now, you can add your service users from the Users tab. Here, you can add the service users' details and assign the Google Apps service to them. Then, specify the user's email account. If you purchased Google Apps Vault, here, you will also be able to assign this service to users. The service user has been created. From the Service Accounts tab, you can assign the Google for Work service to existing users in Odin. To do this, click Add New Service Account. Enter the email and select one of the service users available. If you wish to assign a Vault seat to the user, select the corresponding option and click Submit. You can add as many service users as necessary. Service users created on Odin's Customer Control Panel will also be created on Google's side. Then, the customer will be able to configure the Google Apps service for every service user. From the Google Apps for Work dashboard, Google Apps users created, modified, or removed from the Google App dashboard will also be synchronized through the APS and Odin's Customer Control Panel. Finally, once the Google Apps service has been assigned to all the service users, an email will be sent to them containing the username and password to access the service. Regarding billing, the Google Apps for Work APS allows 3 plans: Trial, flexible, and annual, following the Google Apps for Work business model. The APS will inform Business Automation, formerly PBA, to bill for the number of seats enabled in the flexible plan on a monthly basis. In the annual plan, the customer will be billed for the number of seats purchased.